Hi everybody, my name is Colin and in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Mobidea Affiliate CPA network, a complete walkthrough. So let's go to my desktop. And what we actually see right here is the home screen of Mobidea. Give you some information. So they got weekly payments with PayPal, e-payments, Paxum, first choice pay and wire transfers, free tracking capabilities. Mobidea is now the first affiliate network to offer all capabilities for a tracker, blah, 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 and it's free real-time optimization, 7/7 support, meaning 7 out of the 7 days, which is great. All right, so there they have some information and guides, blah, 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 some testimonials and their crew. So actually when you press login, once you're signed up, this is what you'll see. And I have not run any offers with them in the past. Why not? Oh, hang on, let's go back there. Why not? Because I don't run any pop traffic. So they offer a lot of mobile subscription, pin submit offers, 1 click, 2 click, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, sweepstakes, single opt-in, double opt-in. But what you will notice is tons of these offers are being run by their affiliates on pop traffic, which I don't do, but if you do, this might be a great network for you. So let's have a look. On the right here, you have a live feed about the latest updates, and in the bottom here, you have like some their news. So this is like related to actually the content and the offers, and this is like a blog and events which are happening, and academy which they teach you a bunch of stuff. Signups is actually real-time signups, I think, for the entire platform. And payments is what Mobilia is paying out. Well, it's actually fun that you can see this. I never noticed. I'm just noticing this right now. PayPal bank transfers of 5,000 euros, 400, 1,500. You can see it's all really small amounts. Like it's not, they're not some big affiliates here, but it is pop traffic then again. So what you'll see here is you can change this to the time frame, a regular affiliate dashboard, and the top performers would be here. You can select operators, offers, campaigns, and countries, and they will get a selection right down here. The visits, the signups, basically the conversions, conversion rate, earnings per click, and the total revenue in euros. If you want to change any of these settings, you can see it's my name. You can go here and address all the specifications for all the underlying information about this dashboard. But what we're all really interested in is the offers. So let's have a look. This is actually the tracker, which you can actually, they have an integrated tracker, so you don't need anything like Bynum, Volume, Drive Tracker, whatever. You can just use this. I don't know how it works. They have a setup guide, so probably you should ask your affiliate manager how to set it up, and they will help you out. But when we go to the offer section, it's obviously the most interesting part. Is you can see it's kind of old school, kind of weird. Nobody uses this layout, but there again, let's just see how we have to read this. So here's actually the name, coupons and vouchers, sweepstakes, that would be the same as sweepstakes, but the major thing why I'm not running with them is they specify specific operators. So on pop traffic, you can obviously select the operators you want to target and not target, blacklist them. On social, this is not possible, so therefore I would recommend running this. But as you can see, they have some adult, sexy stuff like cute clips, adult dating, let's see, hardcore adult, so that would be something like porn-like, I guess. This is just games, movie stuff, sweepstakes. So as you can see, like hardcore porn again, it's all in the same, like it's a really old school kind of ads. Like these would be like ads that we've seen like 10 years ago, and they're still working apparently, and that's why they ran them. So like at the toolbar here, you can actually specify the different offers. They have 1,330 total offers for you to promote. And the payout are actually, you can select them from 1 cent to 24 euros and 96 cents. For you, it might be in dollars or whatever your currency is. So for tier 2, they have 385 offers. For tier 2, they have 899 offers. And for tier 3, they have 44 offers. The specific countries, so If you don't want to select entire tier 3, you just select a specific country you want to run. And this is the traffic types they allow: 3G, 3G and Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi only. And they have different billing methods on the customer's end. So MO opt-in, flow, pin flow, double opt-in, single opt-in. You can just select the ones you want to run, or the ones you don't want to run, you leave blank. CPA, mainstream, adult. So let's just do an example. I only want to focus on tier 2. This will leave empty. I only want 3G traffic, no Wi-Fi. I only want, let's see what the other options are. Can it show more? Oh, that's it. Okay. I only want single opt-in direct billing, CPA, mainstream, no adult, and then I want sweepstakes. Is it there? Why is this not happening? Okay, we'll leave this blank. Okay, and then we'll just press apply. Okay, values displayed in this color are from other affiliates promoting this offer and should not be considered as a guarantee of performance. Obviously, it's just an income disclaimer. So let's see what we have. Let's just see. This is Russia, Philippines. I was actually looking for something in Europe. If there's something interesting, South Africa. That could be interesting. Battery saver. 126, EPC 2 cents, clicks. Can you imagine how many clicks are being sent? Obviously it's all probably direct linking as well. And that's why you need a good pre-lender, but yeah, that's not the video, it's not the right time. But as you can see, you can have an indication. Just pause this video if you want to see what kind of offers these are. But I would not recommend these to run on social search, just run these on pub as what they are made for. So if actually when you go to opportunities here, the smart tools is something that is not interesting. I checked it out, but it's just to create rotators and stuff. But the opportunities are interesting. So these are all the data from the last 7 days. You can also select 3 days or yesterday. From the entire network, how many clicks they received, how many leads, what the conversion rate is, what the EPC is, and the revenue. So as you can see, this platform is not really doing any interesting revenue. Like for other networks, one affiliate might pull this in, like altogether per 7 days, right? I mean, the highest campaign they run is like 7.2K. Or I'm mistaken that is not the way you should read this, but I think I'm correct and they are just not doing that much volume. But however, if you are interested in this platform and want to grab a quick $100 a day or whatever, you could have a look at this just to select like what is interesting, you read the data and pick your specific geo. And you can even go like offer and stuff. You can day part everything, whatever you like. Then this is the place which is called cashier, where you actually withdraw the money, where you can send money, the payment history. But where I wanted to focus on for this video was the knowledge base. So the payments, which is obviously very important. You can request up to 2 payments per calendar week to ensure your quality traffic and maintain trust with our advertised payments are processed once per week on Wednesday. So you can request the payment, but it's only cleared on Wednesdays. Basically, this means they pay on a net 3 basis, meaning from Monday to Sunday you work, and the next Wednesday they clear the payment. Depending on your processor and your specific payment method, you would have it a day or a day 2 later. Well, they have tons and tons of information. Actually, you can read all this information without being signed up for the platform, signed in for the platform. You can just read this on this website. So normally I go through the FAQ if it's inside the network, but for this network it is outside. So I will leave you with this. I hope you got enough information. This is a very small platform for me because I run social traffic, not that interesting, but for many others, especially when you're starting out, pop traffic is a very, very good place to start with CPA. So give it a go, have a look at Mobidea and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Obviously, leave a comment down below your thoughts about this video, any questions you might have which I can answer, and then I will see you guys in the next video.